How to restore snap streaks without paying. So if you want to restore your snap streaks without paying, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Snapchat application, go with your chats, and under your chats, now if you have maintained streaks with someone and unfortunately you want to restore that streak, then you can what you can do is just simply go with the upper left, which has that profile option, and go with settings. Under settings, you can scroll down a bit, tap on I lost my snap streak, and tap on how do I restore my snap streak. And here it says that if you recently lost your snap streak, you can restore it with one free snap streak restore or with an in-app purchase from the chat feed of your conversation. You can start a new streak with your friend by sending a snap back and forth to each other every day within 24 hours for 3 or more consecutive days. So there's no way that you can restore your snap streaks without paying. You need to pay, but you will get 5 restores per month. Depending on your account, you'll get 5 restores. So you can just simply tap on the restore option, which will be on the right side. And once you tap on restore, then your Snapchat will be restored, like streaks will be restored. Like for example, I'll just simply go with another account. So as you can see that here it says restore on the right side. So you just need to simply tap on restore. Once you tap on restore, here it says that you have 5 free restores. So if you tap on restore, then your snap streak will be restored, but you will only have 5 restores per month. So in this way, you can use your restores without paying. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.